Hi dears, hope you will be fine. In today's video lecture, I will brief you how to enable or disable location services of your laptop. It's a very easy and simple task. Just right click on start menu and select setting from start menu. In setting option, there are multiple options. You can find privacy option. Here you can see privacy option. Here is our location, camera and microphone related settings are found. Just click on it and here you can find location. Click on location option and here you can on or off your device location setting. It was off. Now I am going to on it. Now my location for my laptop has been enabled. And one more thing that you can on or off your location services for your particular apps. Like that 3D viewer location is on, camera location for camera is on, desktop app viewer location is off. Similarly, you can off or on location services for multiple apps of your laptop. Thanks for watching.